At Mayo Clinic in Arizona, our goal and our vision is simple: to provide Category 1 care to patients. We do this by endeavoring to make the needs of the patient our first and only priority, connecting them to the right care teams to optimize their imaging, treatments, and discussions and consultations in labs so that any visit that they do can be quick, simple, and efficient, as well as gets them on their journey to wellness. We believe in research, and we cross the entire spectrum of research, ranging from basic sciences all the way to translational and outcomes-based research. We think about AI and how we can incorporate that, as well as cost-effectiveness research that really focuses on patient care and how we deliver patient care. We've got a dedicated staff and trainees committed to this goal, and it's a shared culture that makes it a special place for patients in their journey for cure.
Working in a hospital like Mayo Clinic offers a huge advantage for researchers like us. As a practicing urologist, the latest technologies are always available at our fingertips whenever it's needed, in addition to new and novel therapeutic interventions for our patients. This includes the accessibility to plethora of data through the rich history of Mayo Clinic in treating very large number of patients across various geographical sites in the United States. We have access to very strong computational resources. We are also partnering with some of the pioneers in artificial intelligence in today's era, such as Google and Amazon. We have the ability to collaborate with some of the most talented computer science teams in Arizona State University and within the Mayo Clinic as well. All the providers share the same philosophy, goals, and interests. Our primary goal is to try to provide help to other disciplines and to provide the best possible care that can be delivered to our patients.
We are one of the few centers in the country that offers a multidisciplinary stone clinic. In one clinical stone setting, we offer a nephrologist who specializes in kidney stone disease and prevention, a urologist, I offer surgical management, and we also have a dietitian. In any one visit, a patient can see one of us or all of us in one clinical setting to offer complete comprehensive care. We're very lucky. We have access to the newest up-to-date technology. We're able to offer this to patients, and many times this turns surgeries that may be more maximally invasive into a more minimally invasive approach. We're saving patients more maximally invasive procedures. We're saving them time, trip to the operating room. They're recovering faster. We're able to offer these through just getting access to them and also through trials. We provide the best possible clinical care to our kidney stone patients. We have our multidisciplinary stone clinic, and we have the best technology in the operating room to provide the best possible care. We always have a bunch of trials going on and multiple research projects to not only provide good care now, but long-term care for our patients. And in education, our trainees work right alongside me to provide the best care possible.
Here at Mayo Clinic, we're using PSMA to improve and personalize our treatment plans for our prostate cancer patients. We seek to offer all potential prostate cancer evaluation and treatments for our patients. This includes multiple techniques for biopsy, imaging, and treatment, including surgery, radiation, and multiple focal therapies. Currently, we're investigating novel strategies to improve our PET-CT staging imaging to provide better staging for our patients and improve the personalization and treatment discussion with our prostate cancer patients. We're dedicated to our 3 shields: the clinical shield to provide the best possible clinical care for our patients, the research shield to provide cutting-edge and novel therapies for our patients, and the education shield to train future surgeons to provide the best care for our patients into the future.
Our goal is to leverage innovative new methods for single-cell immune profiling to really understand fundamental mechanisms of resistance to immunotherapy in prostate cancer and overcome those with rationally designed new therapeutic strategies. Our lab is highly interested in understanding not just what immune cells are important, not just where those cells are in the tumor, but also when those cells are active and when the targets of immunotherapy are expressed on those cells. Our lab is highly focused on doing discovery science in patients themselves, letting that inform what we study in the lab to hopefully develop more effective and more innovative therapies for patients. The needs of the patients always come first. And that value infuses even down to our basic research, where we design therapies that are not only scientifically robust, but they also meet the patient's needs of efficacy, tolerability, and accessibility.